6 months on, and still no sign of the duckling, who, as you remember from the photograph released at the time, has what can be best described as a rather unforgettable appearance. Now, our experts believe he may already have undergone certain changes and have put together a composite of what he may look like today. Some viewers may find this image disturbing.
Ida, you're out there. If you see this, come home. The kids need you. They're not coping well without you.
In a sinister new development, it would appear that Ida, too, has gone missing. So once again, viewers, we are appealing to you. If you have any information, the number is coming up on your screen.
As a Drake, my mistake was letting her go searching for my son. Yeah, that one, it ain't right. I spent weeks filling beaks, hearing daddy, daddy, daddy. I'm depressed, round the nest, day and night. And what sort of time do you call this?
We sort of lost track of the time. The owl didn't give us notes.
Well, your father does.
Mom wouldn't let us stay out.
Mom's not here. You are grounded.
When's Mom coming back?
I don't know, honey.
She's coming back.
I don't know, honey.
Will she find ugly?
I don't know, honey. I don't know. All right, kids. It's time to roost. Brush your beaks and don't take up all the water. My bill's big enough. When Ida said she'd go, I had to let her. Shame because this apron suits her better. There's no joy in motherhood, or if there is, it's something. Then you'll find an actual fact. You're back at square one. There's no joy in motherhood, or if there is, it's something I just can't see. Ida somehow copes with all of this, and then on top of that, she puts up with me. Now what?
Help me. Please help me. I'm stuck.
Who are you?
I'm Penny. Please, you think you can untangle me?
I'll try. What are you?
The swan. You imagine don't hurt yourself on that hook. No point in this boat getting down.
Swan.
Typical me. My first migration and what happens?
Your first what?
Migration. My full brother is sending in and we are leaving today for the Mormons.
Leaving?
You're a funny one. All these questions.
Sorry.
What's your name?
Everybody calls me Ugly.
Oh, don't listen to them. It's a stage you'll have to go through. You should hear some of the things they call me before the mole.
How did anyone call you names?
Well, like I said, it's a stage you'll have to go through.
Excuse me. Could you lift your wing?
My mother always warned me to avoid fishing line with people behind.
So did mine. She used to tell me when we were out swimming. don't know. I was separated from them, and the more I look for them, the farther it seems I wander.
That's dreadful. When did you last see them?
In the spring,
In the spring? You've been lost since the spring? You poor thing. I can't possibly spend the winter here alone. You'll freeze.
I'll be all right.
Penny! Come with me. The others will mind and will return back soon, and I'll help you find your family.
Oh, Penny, I couldn't possibly.
Of course you could. Come on, and we'll never catch up.
Oh, Penny, I'd love to. I'd really love to. But I can't even fly yet. Or at least not well enough to go with you.
It doesn't matter if you're not as strong as the others. I'll stay back with you and fly at your pace.
Oh, Penny, that sounds wonderful. But I must keep searching for my mother. Maybe when you come back in the spring, we can meet up again.
Are you sure?
Oh, I'm sure.
Penny, come along, darling. We'll be late.
I hate to leave you here like this, but I've really got to be going. Goodbye, and thank you again. I won't forget you.
Honk!
Honk? She probably won't remember me. She probably doesn't even come back. Why would anyone as beautiful as her want to be with anyone as ugly as me?
Oops, pardon me.
Leave me alone.
Sorry, Feathers. Didn't mean to make you jump. Not that there's anything wrong with jumping, of course. It sort of runs in the family. Or jumps in the family. Depending on which way
What do you want?
you want.
Well, you might as well go ahead and say it. Tell me how ugly I am.
Ugly?
There, I hope you feel better now.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hang on a minute. Mind if I hop off and come back on again? I mean, have a word with yourself, Feathers. Who am I to call you ugly? Look at me. There, you see? Now, if we're talking ugly, they don't come much more aesthetically challenged than me. You know what your problem is?
What?
You didn't pretty yourself.
What do you mean?
You've got down in the mouth. Oh, I'm getting nothing here. Nothing. Come on, give us a smile.
I want to be left alone.
That's just downright antisocial. Hang on a minute. I've got a human in my throat. Oh. Well, I know how you feel, but you mustn't let it depress you. I started off as a blob of jelly, and it's been downhill ever since. But I say to myself, I'm a handsome prince in a frog's clothing. And one day, someone's gonna come along and kiss me and release my inner being. But then I say to myself, nah, it will. Wants to snog a frog. You know what our trouble is?
What?
Our image isn't in vogue. That's all. It's a question of taste. But you mark my words, one day ugly will be here.
If you just sit tight on your lily pad, each silly bat will pass. And those whose 40 seasons look will fall down on their ass.
Give your mother what it's called.
Passion is a fickle thing, just you wait and see. The day will come when we're inside.
be seeing the feathers. And remember, one day it'll be us who are the flavor of the month. Oops, what am I saying?
Goodbye, and if you ever find yourself in the duckyard, feel free to stop by. I'd love to have you meet my family.
Well, I hope you find them all right. And remember, stay warm, stay cheerful, stay happy. See you.
Well, what have we here? A nice, plump little duckling.
Honk, honk, honk!
Gotcha, my beauty.
Honk, honk, honk!
No use you struggling and honking like that. I got family to feed. You'll make a file someday, Rose.
Honk, honk, honk!
Now, where'd I put my knife? Ugh, it's colder than a famous picnic out here. God must have left it in my truck.
Well, hello, Ducky. Seems my macrame classes have finally paid off.
You again? How'd you find me?
Oh, a little bird told me.
Well, it's too late. I'm going to be eaten by the people.
Tisk, tisk. Such a waste.
Even if you'd help me, you'd only eat me yourself.
True.
Well, you're not going to. Oh no, he's coming back.
Okay, Ducky, listen up. I have, which what you may agree is a very tempting proposition, which may just satisfy us both.
Well, I don't like oranges. If that's part of your plan.
Look, I'll take you back to the duckyard and you'll get to see your mother again. For one last time.
Either way, I get eaten.
Well, you can't have it both ways. Quick, make up your mind.
All right, you're on.
No funny business. At least this way you get to see your mother again.
Well, Colonel, the cream on my cornflakes. Poison sky.
Are you sure you know your way back to the duckyard? We seem to be going around in circles.
Shut up. It's snow. Makes everything look the same.